In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link JazzCash with Payoneer. By the end, you'll have your accounts connected so you can move money more smoothly between the two services. Start by opening the JazzCash app on your phone and signing into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, and it's a good idea to have the latest version of the app installed. Keeping the app updated helps avoid unexpected errors or missing options during the process. From the main dashboard, look for the More option. Tap it to open the extended menu, then scroll down until you see the money transfer section. This is where JazzCash keeps partner services and external transfer options. Choose Payoneer from the list. This will open a dedicated screen that handles the secure connection between your JazzCash and Payoneer accounts. Now you'll be asked how you want to proceed. If you already have a Payoneer account, select Link Account. If you're new to Payoneer, select Create New Payoneer Account and follow the on-screen prompts to register. The app will guide you through that sign-up flow, and once it's complete, you can return here to link. If you're linking an existing account, enter your Payoneer login details carefully and proceed to link. Double-check everything before you continue to avoid lockouts or typos. Keep your credentials private and never share them with anyone. Next, complete two-step verification if it's enabled on your Payoneer profile. You may be asked to approve a sign-in request sent to your email or the Payoneer mobile app. This is a normal security step that confirms it's really you trying to connect the accounts. After that, you'll receive a one-time verification code on the mobile number associated with your JazzCash or Payoneer account. Keep your phone nearby, type the code exactly as shown, and submit it within the allowed time. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and use the resend option if available. Never share this code with anyone. Once the verification is successful, you'll see a confirmation that your Payoneer account is now linked to JazzCash. From here on, transfers between the two should be much simpler and faster. If you ever run into an error, recheck your login details, ensure your number is active to receive codes, and verify your internet connection. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.